5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 80, jump, keep middle, 100. Right 6 into caution, left 3 long, don't cut, 80. Right 2, keep in, 120. Right 4, small cut, opens into left 4, keep in, 80. Humps and right 3 long, over crest, keep in, 80. Right 4 over crest, off camber, keep in, 150. Caution, brake, square left cut, 200. Flat right over jump, keep in, 200. Left 6 over jump, keep left into bumps, 100. Jump, keep middle, 100. Left 5 short, 150. Ow! Jump, keep left, 200. Bumps, 80. Flat left over jump, keep middle, 100. Flat right over jump, 100. Left 6 over jump, 80. Left 5 very long over jump, keep middle, 100. Flat right over bump and caution, brake, right 4, short over crest, keep in, 100. Bumps into flat right over jump, 50. Left 6 over jump, very long, 100. Bumps, 100. Jump, 150. Caution, brake, right 3, big cut. Square left, opens, 50. Square left, tightens, over crest, 50. Square right, bail in, 70. Right 2, short, small cut, opens, 100. Left 5 opens, 150. Flat right over jump, keep middle, 100. Left 6 over jump, keep middle, 100. Hold on. Right 6 long over bump, keep in, 200. Jump, keep middle, into left 6, 150. Jump, keep right, into right 6, very long, over crest. Bumps, keep right, 100. Flat right, over jump, keep right, 150. Big jump, keep middle, 150. Quick, get back on the track. Big jump, keep middle, 150. Jump, keep middle, 150. Flat right, over jump, keep right, 100. Jump, keep middle, 150. Crest and right 6, very long, narrows, 200. Caution, hard brake, acute Hairpin left around Bale, narrows 200, bumpy. Flat right and flat left 150. Left 6 over crest, keep left 200. Caution, right 5 over jump, keep middle into bridge. Right 6 over jump, keep middle 200. Left 6 over crest, long, keep middle. And left 6 over crest, very long, 250. Jump, keep middle, 150. Left 6 long over jump and left 6 long over crest, keep middle, 200. Right 6 long over jump, keep middle, 200, bumpy. Right 5 over crest, long, keep in, 200. Bumps and left 5 long, 200. Feeling a bit shaken?